Fuck it, let's go. Fuck, I don't have my dead rack. Yeah, bro, I forgot my dead rack, bro. I gotta go back and get it. Yo, I need backup. I need backup. Harris, right here. Hey, Justin, where you at? Justin, where you at?
Well, you know what? That needs to be relayed to everybody else.
Yeah, so I need more people. Justin, where you at?
Yeah, 5 minute bleed out. Oh, he's in.
Other people said it too.
Yeah.
So it is 5 minutes. You can't change the 10 seconds before the game starts.
Braden, where you at? Braden. Justin, where you at? Yo, AR, yo, let's go. Yo, let's go backside, guys, let's go. Let's go. We're going backside. I forgot my dead rag too. Shit.
There's no back here.
Let's go. Yo, we're going through the backside, bro. Go up to the left where everybody's at, and then go into the back. That's your camera beeping, not mine. All right, I got this. They're gonna be coming from this way. We're moving forward right now. Downstairs. That's reflection. Let's go. Everybody should have rolled with us. Where's everybody at? Hey, I hear you. I think. Let's go this way. Oh, we're about to come up behind all these motherfuckers. Start laying into them. Oh shit. Dead end. Texas spawn. Yo, we got them at the stairs. They're in the stairs right here. There's 2 grenades in there. Yeah, they did. That's dead end over there. Yo, they're gonna have to come through this way. Yo, we'll platoon you guys in. Call them over here. Call them. Get your people back here. All right. I'm gonna peek it. Yeah. Huh? There's no way to go in there, bro. There's literally no way. Backside. Close that door. I'm moving, bro. I don't want to die. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Hey, there's a door right here. Come on. Yo, come here. Come here. Yo. That's you guys. You guys stay watch that door, I guess. Yeah. Alright. Oh, contact. Contact. Get that angle, get that angle. Yeah. We're in the same hallway, same hallway. We have contact. Way more. It's a bad spot, guys. It's a bad spot. I'm retreating. I'm retreating. Bad spot. Bad spot. They're all, oh, you guys want to come? No, we got people. Let's go. We got people in this. People down here. People to the right. We're still in the back hallway. Fuck it. You got what you got. So yeah, all at the end of the hallway. Can we cross that line?
Yeah, you can go to the back. Go down to the right. Go down to the right.
Can we cross these lines? Then it's dead. It's dead end. But they can go. We can go through up right here. There's people already went in there. Be careful. There was 2 guys in there already. Yeah.
Plug this, watch that corner, you got the best angle.
Oh, grenade.
Stay away! Hey, he's right there, he's in it,
Justin, where you at? Justin, where you at? Fuck him. Hey guys, duck! Get down! You guys, get down! Duck, bro. I'm gonna hit you if you don't.
Jagger, lay down!
Get lay down!
Lay down!
Can you get an angle? Go low. I'll distract him. Grenade! Let's go. Call that. Frankie, thank you. Fuck.
Last station, repeat your last name.
Close it. Close it. Close it. We're all up, yeah. I'm gonna retreat. I'm getting out of here. Paris, you good? Let's move.
Hey, yeah! Moving! Hey, crossing.
Let's go. Come on.
Down.
Let's go. Huh? Yeah, I was just in the middle of a battle, bro. Alright. Is your tracer on?
You guys good?
Shoot. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. I'm out this hallway. This hallway's deadly. Okay, I'm retreating. We're going back to the main outside. That's just like dead end buck knuckle. Yo, I'm in the Nike store right now, if you know where that's at. Nike store. Making it boom in this bitch. Moving forward. Where are they at? What? Dude, we were back in the back, bro. It was fucking hell. Boom. Paris, cross. What's up, guys? How you guys feeling?
Feeling good.
Living good, living great? Is he dead? He's dead. We got... Behind the ref, watch out! You guys alright? Can I revive you or what? You guys is dead? Nate, I got you. Let's go. Let's move forward. Hey, we got Chic, blue building, blue on the left. What? What?
Can we go through these shots on here? It's too heavy.
Get up there?
Yeah, it's too heavy up there. It's too heavy in this area.
What's back here? We gotta get upstairs. Oh no.
Alright, the CO is close because he can hear the grenades going off.
Hey, where you guys at? All the way back there? Yeah. Alright. You ready? Make it cover. Alright, I'm going. We're on the left side, about to take the back of him.
They're there.
Want to grenade him?
They're on the other side.
Want to grenade him?
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on. Shit. This thing's a lot harder to get out than it should be. Fuck. Yeah. Locked. Huh? You're holding it? Ready? Yep. Got him. Got him. They're all dead. They're all dead. They're dead. They're dead. You guys are all dead. Yeah.
Yeah, they're dead laying in front.
Hey, you're dead. You gotta move. Help push. Let's go. One.
Push it hard. Push that shit hard.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Motherfucker.
Is there a refrigerator back there or what?
How fat are you, fucker? Well, then start crawling. They're all dead right there.
They're gonna catch up right here. We gotta get.
Move that guy so I can get my shit.
Hey, you got to for a second.
Yo, we just grenaded them in this room.
We get enough people to kick that door.
He's sitting like on it, on like fucking cheaters, bro. They're not just sitting on, you're pushing against it because you would be able to move.
One, just jump kick it. 1, 2, 3. That's gonna hurt.
You're 1, 2, 3. What?
Stop kicking the door, dude.
Let them, they're not moving.
Okay, you
Yeah.
know, hit people, dude. If they're on the other side of the door, who do you think you're hitting? Hey, open up.
Ref.
Hey, guys, moving out of the way, game control. I died right there. I couldn't move. Okay, I think the human body can push it.
Yeah, we could push. You were pushing against it, bro. Come on now.
Were you
Don't try to
hit, or were
front.
you like-
They're all dead.
Literally, you shot me, I jumped right here.
Hey, come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Go, go, go. Hey. That door. Dude, that grenade was perfect. Nope. Fuck. You guys liked that grenade, didn't you? Hey, Paris, come back out. Justin, I'm gonna try to meet up with you. Where are you at? We're by the Karma store. Fuck it.